Hi everyone, today we're gonna change this air condition dashboard on the Volkswagen Transporter T6.1 version. It's gonna be a really interesting work, so let's start doing it. After those steps, you have to uninstall those cables and implement to this new air conditioner dashboard. So you have to get this dashboard down from the original one and implement it to the new. You have to do it 6 or 7 times.
Just a tip. If you have on this surface, which looks like a ladder, if you have scratch, you can simply release via a lighter very carefully. You have to just take and the scratch will disappear.
Tip again, you can use some kind of tape to fix it on this one. Thanks for watching our video and goodbye!